Hi everyone, National Wireless here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and tech video of Hytera's latest release, the HP682. Hytera's HP682 is the model up from the HP602. Like the HP602, it is small and light in design, only being slightly heavier, weighing at 280 grams. It comes with everything in the box to get you started. When you open the box, you'll first see the radio itself. The radio has a 1.inch colour display with a full keypad for private calling. Like the HP602, it has AI-based noise cancelling audio to reduce background noise. On the right side, you have your accessory connector protected by a cover, and on the back it shows how the battery clips in. On the left side, you have your on-off button, your push to talk, your volume up, and your volume down buttons. On the bottom it shows the grooves, which allows the radio to clip into chargers. At the top you have your LED light to show the radio's on, your antenna screw connector, your lanyard clip, as well as the selector switch, which can be used for both volume as well as selecting channels. Other accessories inside the box include the standard belt clip that clips into the battery, the antenna stubby that operates on VHF, UHF1, UHF2 and CB frequencies, the lanyard, the Australian power supply that plugs into the charging cradle, the charging cradle. It also shows the grooves that the radios sit in, and the power supply connector. You also receive a long life battery that has an operating time of approximately 20 hours in digital mode. It also shows where the belt clip clips into. And finally, the HP682 is Ip67 rated, which offers the best available protection against dust and sand. It also can be submerged into 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. There are also Bluetooth and GPS variations of this model available, and if you'd like a free trial, please let us know. Thank you for watching.